Morning everyone, so me and Josh, so we're just doing a key for Transit Connect. We'll do a little video for you and we'll show you how we'll get on. So first job, we need to identify the key and the code. So it goes in a little reader. It gives us a little readout on the screen. So we put the key into stocks.
Got to line up with the end position.
Tells you where to put it.
It's got to be perfect or it won't match.
Just so it's little checks first, calibrates itself. Right, starts pretty white. That's one side cut. We just need to flip it over. Goes in like we were in before. Line it up, press go. Fix the process on the other side. That's the old key. See, so on. Okay.